Welcome back to Talk by Sarah, where English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. Hi, everyone. I'm Daniel, and I'm so happy to be here today.
It's a beautiful day for a chat, Daniel. How are you feeling?
I'm great, thanks. I've got my coffee and I'm ready to talk. How about you, Sarah?
I'm excited. Today, we have a very special topic, something we use every day when we talk to our friends.
Ooh, I love special topics. What is it?
Today, we're going to talk about the past, how to tell stories about things that happened yesterday, last week, or even years ago.
That's wonderful. Talking about the past is how we share our lives. We tell our friends about weekends, holidays, or childhood memories.
Exactly. But before we start, we have a small favor to ask our listeners.
Yes, if you enjoy this podcast, please click the like button. It really helps us.
And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any new episodes. We want to help you learn English every week.
And share this with your friends or family who are learning English. Spread the love.
Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, Daniel, are you ready to talk about the past?
I'm ready. Where do we start? Talking about the past can sound difficult for beginners.
It's not hard at all. Let's start with simple words. When we talk about the past, we use words like yesterday, last night, or last year.
So I can say, yesterday I was happy.
Yes, that's perfect. I was is the past of I am. Very simple. Daniel, what did you do yesterday?
Let me think. Oh, yesterday was a busy day. I woke up at 6 a.m.
6. That's early.
Yes, I woke up, made breakfast, ate eggs and bread, and of course, drank coffee.
Woke up, made, ate, drank, all great past words.
Thanks. After breakfast, I went to the park. The weather was nice, sunny and warm.
That sounds lovely. Did you walk in the park?
Yes, I walked for an hour. I saw many flowers and some small dogs. I love dogs.
Me too. Dogs are so funny. What did you do after that?
I went to the supermarket, bought some fruit and milk, then came home and cleaned the kitchen. It was a lot of work.
Wow, you were productive. I stayed at home yesterday.
Did you have a relaxing day?
Yes, I watched a comedy movie on TV. I laughed a lot.
Laughter is good. What did you eat for dinner?
I cooked pasta with cheese and tomatoes. It was delicious.
Now I'm hungry.
See? Talking about yesterday can be easy. For many action words, we just add ed. Walked, cleaned, stayed, watched.
That's true. But what about words like ate and went?
Those are irregular. You just need to practice. I go becomes I went. I eat becomes I ate.
I see. So I went to the park is correct, not I go to the park.
Exactly.
Talking about yesterday is fun, but I also love childhood stories.
Me too. Where did you live when you were a child?
I lived in a small house near the mountains. It had a big garden.
Did you play in the garden every day?
Yes, my brother and I played there all afternoon. We played with a ball and sometimes climbed trees.
You climbed trees. Brave.
A little brave, but one time I fell.
Oh no. Did you cry?
Only a little. My mom gave me a cookie and I was happy again. Cookies solve everything.
That's so sweet. I lived in a big city as a child. No garden, but I went to the park with my dad every Sunday. We flew a kite.
A kite? Wow. Was it big?
Yes, red and yellow, flying high. I felt like a bird.
Beautiful memory.
You know, Daniel, we can also talk about vacations. Where did you go on your last vacation?
Last year, I went to the beach with friends. The water was cold, but the sun was hot. We swam every morning and watched sunsets.
Did you take pictures?
Hundreds. I can show you later.
I went to a big city, visited museums, saw old paintings, and tried new foods. One night, I ate very spicy food.
Oh no, did you drink water?
Yes, 3 big glasses. Fun experience.
When talking about the past, we also use didn't.
Right, for things that didn't happen. I didn't eat breakfast, or he didn't call me.
Very useful.
Tips for our listeners. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. If you say, I eat dinner yesterday, people will understand, but I ate dinner sounds better.
True. Movies let you retell stories. The man met a woman. They went to a restaurant. They fell in love. Simple practice.
Or talk to a mirror. Hello, mirror. Yesterday, I played tennis.
The mirror never interrupts.
Movies and music help too. Songs about the past teach simple past words.
True. Movies let you retell stories. The man met a woman. They went to a restaurant. They fell in love. Simple practice.
Daniel, what was your favorite toy as a child?
A small blue car. I played with it every day, even slept with it.
I had a doll named Lucy. My grandmother made her pink dress.
Sweet memory.
Simple things made us happy. No phones, no computers, just playing outside.
Life was simple but fun.
Today, we talked about yesterday, childhood, vacations.
And memories are like pictures in our minds. We can share them using simple English.
Talking about the past isn't scary. It's fun.
I had a great time today.
Me too. Thanks for sharing your stories.
Thanks for sharing yours, and thank you to our listeners.
Please comment below. What did you do yesterday or your favorite childhood toy? We love reading your stories.
Write in English. It's great practice. Don't forget to subscribe and share.
Give us a like if you enjoyed today.
We'll be back soon with more fun English.
Have a wonderful day, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you next time.